Hello guys, I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to give you a tour of our dormitory. Currently I am studying at Wuzhou University. So today I will show you how international dormitories look like. So guys, we just arrived at our dormitory location. Behind me you guys can see there is a dormitory, our international dormitory for boys, and there is also another one, that one I hope you guys can see on the left side. Behind me there is another dormitory which is for girls, another one, a third one, which is a new building for boys. This is our reception. Let me show you. This is our reception. If you have any problem in your room like the water supply or light, anything, you can come here and scan these QR codes. They also provide us a water filter. As you can see, this is our water filter. This dormitory have 16 floors, so they also give us two lift. As you can see, two elevators. So right now let me call for one. We will go into my room and I will show you how international room look like. So this is the lift, this is the elevator. You guys can see how it looks, and these are the floors. Right now I live at 16th floor, so we will go at the 16. Okay guys, we just arrived and this is our corridor. As you can see, this is our corridor, and let me show you my room. Okay guys, this is my room where I live, and in this university there is three type of rooms. One is single room, double room in which two people live, and one is studio apartment. And this one is the single room where I'm living. As you can see, these are the facilities they have given us. The one is washing machine. They also give us AC, one wardrobe, bed, as you can see, and we also have kitchen. Let me show you. This is the kitchen they gave us, as you can see, and they also give us attached washroom. Let me show you. This is our washroom. So this is how international dormitories look like. And this university is surrounded by mountains, and as you can see right now I'm sitting in my balcony and you can see the view from my balcony. I really enjoy studying here because the environment is so peaceful. There is no noise, nothing else. No one is irritate you or disturb you. Everyone focuses on their own self. So if you also want to study in China, you guys can contact us. Going to study in China is very affordable. So contact us now. Thank you.